Understanding Credit.com installment loans can be a straightforward process if you know where to start. First, it is essential to know what an installment loan is. An installment loan is a type of loan that is repaid in equal monthly payments, also known as installments, over a fixed period of time. To begin, you should check your credit score as it plays a significant role in determining the interest rate you will qualify for. The better your credit score, the lower your interest rate will be. You can check your credit score for free on Credit.com. Next, you need to determine how much you can afford to borrow. Consider your income, expenses, and other debt obligations to decide on a loan amount that you can comfortably repay. Now, let's look at the application process. The application process for Credit.com installment loans is typically online and requires basic personal and financial information. You will need to provide your name, address, employment information, and income details. Once you have applied, you will receive a loan offer that includes the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. It is crucial to carefully review the loan offer before accepting it. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan, including the interest rate and any fees. Repayment of the loan is typically done through monthly installments that are automatically deducted from your bank account. It is vital to make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. Best practices for managing Credit.com installment loans include making timely payments, keeping track of your credit score, and avoiding late fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively understand and manage Credit.com installment loans.